day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. May I drink my coffee and hit your notification button. Country girl, nuclear rastaman, silent rebel, country boss. Big up on yourself. See? Now, look at the screen in front of you. I'm taking you to Haiti. And this is Jimmy Cherezer, alias Barbecue. Now, for all of you who don't know him, he's a former police officer. And he is one of Haiti's most important gang leader. What he did, he brought a gang alliance in that country with a group of the strongest gangs. Unlike Jamaica, we're going to do a little comparison with him and the prince of the Shower Posse, Dodos. So, let me keep on going. Now, he collaborated with the Haitian Tech Gang from the Kale Party. He aligned himself with the PHTK and other police members. Them say impose a challenge to the Haitian state, and then him call for certain things. When that boy that did dead, the boy who did run it. You see what I say? Now, I wanted to do a little bit of comparison between him and Dodos. But before we do that, I just want to go down in some more history about the youth here. Because I tell people all the time, Jamaica and Haiti are two different countries. And one thing make them fundamentally different. And I want to listen to this. One thing make them fundamentally different. When it comes to Haitian people, as bad as their country is, them love them country and them care about them constitution. That's the biggest difference with Haiti and Jamaica. Now, Mr. Barbecue, them say him coming at the map on the radar when in November 2017, him was a member of the Haitian CTAC, the anti-gang police them. And them say he was involved in some extrajudicial slapway where 9 people get flingway in a Grand Ravine. Them say a year later, him and the Dilemma 6 gang, do something upon them too. And a number of other groups participated in some slapway in a Lasalle line. I think that are the rich part of the town, because the boy, him always a lick out upon the rich people. Well, them say that are the worst thing, slapway ever happened, 71 people, and them fire him a month later and issue a warrant for him. Now, this is a part of the comparison. Them issue a warrant for him, and he's still not arrested. And he still didn't leave Haiti. Them try hunt him down for 4 days. Him evaded capture and participated in a more slapway in the Bel Air neighborhood Yo, him get money and logistic support from the senior people them in the government after the boy we get slapped the other day in July. You see how them youth are program? You know hear what me I say? You see what I'm saying? No. Them say him I try destroy Haiti, but me no want sound crazy, you know, dog. Me no see how him I try destroy Haiti, you know. When them done destroy Haiti from long time, like how them a destroy Jamaica. All the brother here look like him a do. He must step up and he must try and make the people them life in a certain neighborhood and certain so-called dirty boy gang them get more organized and have some economic sense. And that me kind of see from this. I am not a profiler in which part of Virginia them there? Langley, Virginia, the CIA or FBI them. No, I'm not. I am just giving my opinion. We're gonna move on. Now, we are gonna do a little bit of comparison. You see what I say? Now you have Mr. Barbecue and you have the Prince of Shower Posse, Doodles. Now, from when me see, listen to this. G9 and family march through the streets of La Saline or La Saline, and the man them are brandish them thing. And where them did have hide from long time. You don't know where me a chat about. Now, with Dodos, him can't do that. Him did a try to do that in Jamaica. But you see who run Jamaica. And the plutocracy run Jamaica. If you notice Jamaica, them use Dodos, them use Dagpa, and them use up the man them. In a Haiti, them boy can't get used like that. What him do, him form an alliance. Tivoli man them, the man them in a Mobile, Blackbird, Pennyhaven, them can't form alliance. Doodles them can't form alliance. Them alliance shaky. That's the first comparison. Now go down the line. Now, the boy, when Doodles did our theme thing and go on, I think Bruce Golding did a try a little thing. And I try. But, yo, youth, the man them there Jamaica, me I tell you now. You have to stop a line on yourself with them dirty politicians, the dog. Because all them do, them use, you know, and still up like how them stitch up Bulby, Dagpa, whoever. Yo, me just a picture it in my mind. Jamaica, like me say, are the boy them in a certain position uptown and them around this and them around the thing. And them use the police to suppress the voice of the people them. That's pretty much what them do. That's what me see. Now, let's move on. The youth here, after them slap where the boy around 80, the youth here now, you know, days later, he march in the street with thousands of people honor the boy with them slap way. So, like Golden affair hide behind law and this and that and law firm. In a unity, them boy are the dep on that. Them a give to you straight. You understand? So, them are the two fundamental comparison, you know, and everything else follow that. The man them know how to align themselves with the different gang. The man them hold the politician them accountable. Jamaica, you can't trust not even a shadow to blow out. Me don't know how some of them boy I say them in a gang and crew, cause me wouldn't trust none of them dirty boy there at Jamaica. Would I rather trust the man them a Haiti, cause me know say the man them loyal to certain things. You understand? Me no know how them sleep. Who a watch your head back, dude? You're mad, man. Let's move on. Now, other things with them youth you do, that boy barbecue. When the war start with the rest of the gang them, you know, him step in as peacemaker. You understand? And when him do, the man them they get in trouble, him talk to them no want to hear, him dash them way, and then him act as the bridge between the capital gang them and the state official, and him are the middleman between the gang them and the state official. And him are the man. Where in Jamaica do you see that? Where the politician them do, them deal with everything on the law and the man them. And when the politician them at Jamaica deal with them, so I true them want murder or not. Sure. And them want fling on the way, make them deal with them. So notice, in a Haiti, the boy for them thing out front. You understand? And for them thing, like me I say, I feel protect them neighborhood, because them realize say you have a bag of poor people and the situation bad for them, and you have a handful of rich people where they have off everything. Now, them dibble-dabble in all sort of thing, you know, but them overall thing is to take care of them neighborhood. Yo, let me know what you think about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. I'm going to do some more thing for the gang them in Haiti. But like I say, the two fundamental comparison is the ability for them money to align themselves with other gangs. You understand? And do what them have to do to take care of the neighborhood. And them is also a peacemaker amongst other things. Them stand up for them constitutional right. Them money, them now back from politician. That are the big fundamental difference. Yo, my name is Countryman. I'm out.